Hello everyone, my name is Yi Ming.
My name is Hoong.
I'm Jen Seng.
We are students from UMP Pekan.
So today we will talk about projected motion by using our C programming.
Let's get started.
Yay! Okay, first of all we need to declare all the header file. Standard output input, master is for used for our mathematical equation, CH block is for block graph, and then we need to define all the N and the mg, the gravitation, and then we need to talk about now is we do the function. At the function here, the double is the return type, h velocity is the name, function name, double v, double a is the argument. So we can say that this one all is the function. Now come to the main function. We need to declare the variables, declare the array, and then declare the integer ci loop o q character j and c block plot, and then we also need to declare the loop equal to 1. Now we will put the command and then ask the user to put in the max. So scanf, and then remember to put the nf so that can save the data. So at the first n smaller, we put a while loop here. If the n is smaller or equal to 0, then we'll come again and then ask the user to input the correct value. So come to same thing. We come to the velocity and the angle of rotator. We will come here and then ask the user if they are put the wrong thing.
User input a value, then it will calculate the time to reach maximum height and the time total travel with these two expressions. Then while loop equal to 1, which loop is declared as 1, the system will go down and show the value the user input and let the user choose which unknown they want to find, which is 1 displacement, 2 height, 3 potential energy, 4 kinetic energy, and then scan wonder either 1, 2, 3 or 4. This is a if, act like a switch. This one will calculate the respective unknown, which is displacement, height, potential and kinetic energy. Almost everyone inside is the same. With for loop, they build a table with array and then calculate the unknowns with respective time, and then if the user input the neither 1, 2, 3 or 4, the system will show invalid input and rescan the value. Then user will prompt to either plot a graph or not, if 1 to yes, no, 0 to no.
After user choose to plot graph, we have two graphs. The first graph is graph of height against distance. The second graph is kinetic energy and potential energy against time. For the first graph, we use array to plot the graph, to save the data. After that, use plot xy to plot the graph. Sg is the scalar for x-axis, Hg is the scalar for y-axis, n is the number of points. Height against distance is the title of the graph, distance is the name of the x-axis of the graph, and height is the name of the y-axis of the graph. Okay, so now we're going to the second graph. Second graph, we also use array to save the data using formula. After that, because we use two-line graph, so we cannot use plot xy. We're going to use plot title, potential energy and kinetic energy plot. Means that this is the title of the name. Plot label means that label x-axis is equal to time, y-axis is total energy, joules. Plot data 2D curve means that to plot the first line. Tg is the unit, the formula for array for Tg, the x-axis. Kg is for y-axis, and n is number of points. Plot legend means that we name the first line is kinetic energy. So continue with the second line and the third line. We also use, after that, use plotting means that we're going to plot the graph. After that, user can either choose one to restart the program, or 0 to end the program. So this is our program. Thank you.